Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. You guys already know that I love my Google Pixel phones and I have been using my Google Pixel 2, which I had reviewed years ago to this day. This is the cue to review, I'm rhyming, the Google Pixel 2. Did it again. And today I have got my Pixel 4a 5G and I'm so excited to unbox this and use it for the very first time. I wish this was a sponsored video and Google had sponsored me, but sadly it's not. But my love for the Pixel phones are going to continue and we will unbox this and let's see how the phone is. This is the box that the Pixel 4a 5G comes in. It has the Google sign and it says Pixel 4a 5G, and on the sides it has the Google sign again and 5G, Google, and a few details. On the back it says Team Pixel and they give us 2 taps to easily open it. Now let's open the box. And there we have the Pixel 4a 5G. Here is the phone. Let's get to it in a bit. Let's first look into what's in the box and then move on to the phone. First, we have some paperwork from Google. And we also have the SIM ejection tool. And then we have the power brick. I'm so happy that we still have the power brick. And the USB cable. It is USB-C to C, which I love. It goes perfectly with my laptop because it only has USB-C ports, and my Pixel 2 also had USB-C to C, which my puppy chewed up. So I'm extra happy to get this. And then we have a USB-C to A adapter. This helps in the data transfer and everything. I love this. Now we're done with the box. So you know what's next? The phone. And this is the beautiful Pixel 4a 5G.
This phone retails at $499 in the United States. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. It has Snapdragon 765G and it has a 3885 mAh battery.
It has the volume rocker on the right side and the power button, which is white but has a cool tone to it. It also comes with an audio jack. Here's the thing, right? These are the budget phones from Google, and if you're getting a budget phone, you probably want to use your old audio jacks too. If you don't have the budget for a bigger phone, maybe you don't have the budget for a wireless headphone, or maybe you do. Either way, they kept in mind and gave you an audio jack. That is a nice little touch. Then here is the camera module. This is what I'm really excited for and see what it does. It still comes with a fingerprint scanner and on the back. I love this. The position of it is easy to use and it's really comfortable and it doesn't take much time, so this is the perfect position for a fingerprint scanner if you ask me. It has a hole punch camera in the front and the USB Type-C charging port and a few speakers here. And the camera is what they do best, and I'm really excited to find out what this one does. That video is coming soon. I'll let you know why I picked this one instead of the 4a and Pixel 5. We'll find out if this is actually worth it, if it's worth the price and if you should go for this, or if you should stick to some other kind of phone. That video is coming soon. I will have it linked down below as soon as it goes live. And that is all for this video. There is a lot more to be spoken about this beautiful phone, but that is in another video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can stay tuned for when that video comes out and you can be one of the first people looking at it. And if you like this video at all, give this video a big thumbs up so it'll let me know that you liked it. And comment down below if you like this phone, if this is your type or not. Now that being said, I will have a few of my other unboxing videos linked down below and on the iCard and in the end cards. I will see you in my next video where I tell you a lot more about this beautiful phone. Until then, signing off, Lightning Girl. Bye!